The greatest invention of mankind has been fire. It has transformed civilizations, ignited revolutions, and fueled innovations. Yet, in the realm of culinary fire, the essence of this elemental force has remained relatively unchanged, until now.
The entire buzzword of the global phenomena is sustainability, energy efficiency, reduction in carbon footprint, and bring positive contribution to climate change. And this is the edifice on which our Agnisumukh platform is built.
Beyond exquisite taste, Agnisumukh ensures healthier cooking with precision and convenience. It offers the goodness of health in every dish, ensuring culinary perfection without compromising on health or convenience.
Every food has its natural oil and moisture, which makes it unique. So our system ensures that when you cook on Agnisumukh platform, the moisture and the oil, which is the part of organic substance, is preserved, and the uniform taste along with nutritional aspect of food is maintained.
By significantly reducing ambient heat, Agnisumukh enhances the comfort of chefs in the kitchen.
I will call it as a chef-friendly kitchen equipment. Why? Because it doesn't give an intense heat outside the equipment, but however, it generates intense heat and cooks the ingredient in a uniform manner. If you are a chef and you are using a regular one, you are therefore born to get hernia in your lifetime. Why? Because there is a uniform transformation of heat happens from the range to the lower part of chef's body. Therefore, over a period of time, they are bound to get hernia. But in this platform, you can actually keep your chin in the cooking platform and see how it's burning. There is absolutely no transformation of heat to the body. See, cooking, you need to give the right texture. If you cook anything which is overdone, then therefore the texture is really, it will become fibrous. But out here in this equipment, it makes the meat much more softer, and it makes the life easier for the chef to cook the food faster, and therefore now you get the delicious food out on the table within no minute.
Providing a cooler environment without compromising on the efficiency of cooking and contributing to savings to the tune of above 30% and more in gas usage.
I have been using Agnisumukh radiant heat burners since 2015. I feel it's a great value addition to my company as it saves 30% plus of fuel. We have other benefits like there is no carbon soot in the kitchen or on our cook pots and other things. It enhances the taste of the food as radiant heat cooks in a lower heat waves. It makes my employees to work happily. The ambient temperature of the kitchen will be low. Customer will have a tasty food. Workers will have a good environment to work. The investor will save money on LPG.
Agnisumukh has garnered national and international acclaim, adorning the kitchens of five-star hotels, corporates leading culinary establishments, and even the prestigious Rashtrapati Bhawan. Beyond culinary prowess, Agnisumukh's adaptable technology extends its reach to various industries, including pharmaceuticals and furnace-dependent sectors, redefining efficiency and sustainability. Agnisumukh, an innovation that's transforming fire, redefining culinary excellence, and lighting the path to a sustainable future. Join us on this remarkable journey of innovation and possibilities. Agnisumukh, where innovation ignites excellence.
Stay on top. Unleash innovation. Transform fire with Agnisumukh.